Hey guys, Fat Guy Fixer Upper here. So I'm back at my homestead, and I'm gonna try to make my way to the garage, which is collapsing. That has the wood chipper that I need to pull out to see if we can fix it to use it. So I'll give you a little quick preview of what I'm gonna have to go through in order to get it out. If you can see, there's a lot of grass in the way, a lot of stuff. And as you can tell, the garage is collapsing. I do have plans in the future where this will be torn down and a new one will be stuck up in its place. But as you can see, a lot of work needs to be done before that to happen. Alright, off I go to get that thing. Alright, so I advanced a little bit further. I don't know what that stuff is. Alright, so I've advanced a little bit further, and for some reason I'm hearing stuff fall down in the woods like crazy. But if you could... Bugs! Who's there? I must be going nuts. If you could see in there, through that door, you can see the wood chipper I'm trying to get to. Oh. If I zoom in, hopefully it makes it a little easier. No. I don't know what's up with this autofocus. It never works right. But it's right in there. I just got to get that wood chipper out. Unfortunately, a tree fell down. So I got to go get the chainsaw, clear the way. So, fun. Okay, guys. So I just dragged this sucker all the way over here. It is extremely heavy. And, well, this is the weed whacker that's like over 20, or excuse me, not weed whacker, the wood chipper. My brain, it's not working right, but anyways, as you can see, it's in a horrible state. It sat in that garage for like 20 years, and I don't think this is fixable. Well, it's probably fixable, but it'll probably cost more than what it would actually be worth if I just went out and bought a new one. But I'll give my dad some time. Ew. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It's pretty gross in there. Give my dad some time to try to fix this. So, well, guys, thanks for tuning into this short video. We'll see how this goes. Honestly, I think I'll probably end up buying one. I'll just give my dad a little bit of time. Maybe he can pull off a miracle, get it fixed for cheap. I don't know, but I'll probably be looking at getting a new wood chipper here very soon. So, see you guys in the next episode.